Hey guys, dolls and animals are one of my favorite things to sew. Like, check this guy out. I just love his funky eyebrows. So my animals and dolls are all about the details. Today I'm going to show you a technique using this piece of rickrack. We're going to put it in the wash and it's going to come out all funny and crazy like this. These are going to be our eyebrows. So you're going to take your piece of rickrack and fold it up and just kind of find your placement of your eyebrows. Put them on and tack them in place. I like to use just a button attachment stitch just to hold it down. And if you don't have that, don't worry, just use a straight stitch. Then you're going to take your eyes and go back to your ironing board and add everything, all these little details. Iron them on and then come back and we'll go to the next step. Alright, after your eyes are all stitched down, let's add a mouth. We're going to use our straight stitch and just stitch a quick squiggly line. Doesn't have to be straight. It's really just kind of for placement. And then we're going to go back over it with our zigzag stitch. I like to make it a little bit wider. You're going to have to check your machine for placement and just go back over and forth. It's a really easy way to add a fun detail. Alright, now that your eyebrows are attached and your details are all in place, put your front and back together and finish them all off. For more fun projects, come visit me at the blog. I'm Valentine from Sewing Loft, and I think it's cool to sew.